Today we about to do a cam slash crank sensor on this Audi, however you call it, pronounce it. The P0016 code. Should be easy. First things first, let's remove this top cover. Oh yeah, it's a 2.0 if you didn't know that. But make sure the location, it's in the driver's side right here, right between here. You will see it right under here. You see under all these green, the green connector, this big black connector, it will be right inside there. Let me put the flash on there. It'll be right down here. You see that? It'll be right down here. See that? Boom. See how rusty that bolt is? We have to pray that T30 could come out. Alright? So we're gonna try to take that out without breaking the bolt. Let's try to do that. That's a T30 back there. Go right there. I'm gonna take a T30. Basically. Take it off. Okay, we're gonna be careful because you know it's just rotted. Okay, I would like to remove the connector first. Alright, we'll do that shit after. Let's take it off first. Let's take that off. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, that one went smooth. That one was not tough to come off. Well, to loosen. Okay, now we're gonna take this bolt off, remove the connector, and put the new one. Well, take out the crank sensor, then put the new one. Okay. Make sure you get a magnet. You're not trying to make that fall, but if your finger can fit like mine, skinny like mine, fit, then cool. Now try to wiggle it out, up and down. Twist it side to side. Side to side. And let's try to pull it out. I'm using my right hand because left hand is not. Make sure you don't pull on the wire. Don't pull on the wire. Pull on the connector only. All right, so I'm gonna do that. And so to take this connector off, if you have it off like me, you have to take some type of needle or something, go inside here, basically push up the connector and pop it out. Okay, so you have to push up on this pin, on this right here, to basically take it out. I'll show you this right here, back there. Push up on it like this and pull it off. Alright, so let's put the new one and put this back. Once you put your new one in, I like putting the oil around the seal and put it in there so it's easy to go in. Alright, tighten your bolt, your T10, T20, T30, and put your connector back, and you should be done. Okay, put the connector. Okay, snaps in. The car should start right up. That was it on this Audi. So if you're having problems starting the car, it takes forever to start, that's most likely your problem. Okay, so if it helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.